Unless you know the questions. And questions are means to which we live our lives to guess them. Guess is the best we can do to find the message. The message is the point inside of words that make connections. Connections will occur once we prove something is fresh. Fresh is an idea that breaks away from all impression. Impression is a tool profoundly used in all deception, and deception is a tool profoundly used to skew perspective. Perspective is the view to which we analyze the lessons, and lessons are obtuse unless they can be second-guessed, and is to include all those lessons that we let stand. Stand is what we do against oppression of the left hand, and hand is what they lack to extend to their fellow man, and man is the extent of our soul doing what it can, and can is optimistic. Can also be dismissive. Dismissive is the attitude of radicals who fail to listen. Listen to sabbaticals of catacombs of those enlisted. Enlisted is the status of the ones who play with guns and missiles. Missiles are the language that we use to make our views official. Status of the anguish, you can see the sickle. The sickle can establish that the Grim Reaper is never fickle. Fickle is the pattern of this cabinet's extensive ripple, and the questions are meaningless unless you know the answers. Because the answers preceded us, greed, lust, and cancer. And cancer is meaningless when thinking like romantics, because romantic is a mind state that beats being frantic. And frantic is the manner that we greeted the Atlantic and ceded our advantage, proceeded with our antics. To the better of the colony, our policy expanded. Our policy is not to accept what we're handed, because handed is what they gave us, now we're taking it for granted. Granted is the stone that we set our semantics. Semantics is this poem that condones how we plan it. And planet is the home that we roam and we've landed. Land is an area of home when commanded. Command is the brain to the bones to the canvas. Canvas is blank with the slate of my vantage, my view, my opinion when candid. And the answers are meaningless unless you know them.